So, hi guys, this is AI with Orlando. Today I have a very important trick for you. Do you want to analyze image with cutting edge AI for free? I think so, right? So, first, you need to go to the openrouter AI and sign up for a free account. After that, you need to create an API key inside. Just in one click and save it for later. That we need it for the next step. So after that, you can go visit me.com. Of course, open the scenario, add the open router model, and set up as I will explain follow up. So basically, when you add the open router model inside the method.com, you need to configure using an API call. Basically, you need to choose the chat completions. The method has to be post, and also the content type needs to be application JSON. Here, you need to copy all this body when you need to indicate the new model of Llama 4. In this case, I'm using the Maverick, the free version. So that is important option that we have right now to test it, this new model, and use it in our make automations. So here you need to specify what is the prompt that you need the model use it. And here you have the possibility to specify the image URL that you want to analyze inside the made.com automation. And the demonstration. So here in the method.com scenario, you only need to add the model. In this case, it's openrouter, and choose for this particular case to use the Llama 4 model free. You need to use this API call. Unfortunately, we don't have a default option by the operator that we can automatically choose this functionality by default, but we can simulate using this made API call. So you can choose this, and you need to configure that. So let me explain a little bit how can you do that. Let me delete this to not be confused. So when you add this model to your scenario, you need to add your proper credentials. You need to add the API key that you grab when you created your free account inside the open router. You put here your API key. After that, you need to choose what is the URL. In this particular case, you only need to put the default one, which is the chat completions. And for the method, you need to choose post between all of these. And for the header, you need to choose content type application JSON. And for the body, you need to copy this JSON completely, which you need to indicate what is the model. I choose the Llama 4 last model Maverick free option. After that, you need to simulate the conversation between you and the model. In this particular case, you are specifying that you are the user, and the content is like this. Is the test, and you specify, please analyze this image. You can put here your prompt or whatever you want to put it. And here you need to input the image URL where is located URL. So basically, this is right now hard copy, but you can automatically change for variable for your previous steps. So after that, you only need to save it. And we can test it. Let me run once, wait a little bit. This is an amazing opportunity to use the last version of Llama in the analyzing image. You can save a considerable money instead of using open4o to analyze your image. This is the output. As you know, we can go to the body, go to the choices, go to the collection, to the message, content, and you see the model analyze the image and reply to you how the description of this image. After this, you can continue to use this image description in your automation completely free. I strongly recommend to you to use this possibility inside your method code automation because it's very great and is, I believe, for my testing, Llama 4 Maverick gives you pretty good descriptions, maybe some cases better than GPT-4o. Thank you so much, and continue to the next slide. So as you saw, Llama 4 analyzes image and provides detailed description for free without coding or paid API. This is ideal for businesses research, or even for entertainment or your social content when you need to analyze image. Do you find this quick tip helpful? Please subscribe to our channel for more free AI tricks and leave a comment saying wanted if you want to get the blueprint.com sent to your email. Thank you so much.